man, don't you hate waking up late and just rushing for everything? We woke up.
I need to put my soda in.
Yeah, we woke up just a couple minutes ago. I had to run and drop Melanie at school and come back for Isabel. So we're waiting for the bus now.
Not like the bus.
Hey, hi.
Hey.
Are you a princess?
Yeah. I think the bus is coming right now.
Okay.
Daddy.
Yes, baby.
I want bun.
You want bun?
Yeah.
Mwah. I love you. I think we are getting a woodchuck infestation. Today, they're back. There's so many of them. Are these bad for the yards? I mean, I haven't seen them in my side, but I don't want them to come over here. I was reading that they're good diggers, so they will dig holes everywhere, and they also they will attack if there's a new mom and she have the babies around. She will attack you to protect their babies. So I just don't want my kids to get bite from one of these, you know. They look little because I'm far away. I bet they're kind of big, probably the size of a cat. And that's the biggest. The darker one is the biggest one of all of them. So I guess that's the mom, and the other ones are like the babies. And I think they live. You see those boards? That's like a mini shed that they built for toys. So I think they live over there. They have a hole behind that thing because that's where they run. Oh well. Let's see what happened. I don't want them on my yard. Oh, Dora. It's like a 4-year-old little girl that travels all around the world. No parents around. It's weird. It's weird that there's no parents around, and she's able to walk and fly and swim and go everywhere by herself with a monkey. It's about time Dora gets she needs to get a GPS. All Mondays, starting all over again. Another week. Here I am doing like kind of a chili type of thing. I just need the liquid to evaporate a little bit, make it kind of a sauce so we can eat it with. And if you haven't tried this, I think this is very like Central American thing. I don't recall having this in Ecuador, but they're pretty good. They're really good. You can eat it with pretty much everything. Melted cheese. We're gonna eat it with this kind of chili that I'm making. Put it on the top and eat it. They're pretty good. If you see it on your supermarkets, give them a try. You're gonna love them. It's my lunchbox. Fruits. Some paper that I don't need. This is my calorie points calculator, and I'm gonna get one of this for dinner. And fruits. That's my lunch and snacks for the whole day. See how it has thickened a lot, and it will thicken a little bit more while it cools down. So it's gonna be delicious with the tostada. It's gonna be great. And a little bit of Little bit of a shredded treat. Shredded cheese. Great.
Whoa.
I love you. I love you.
I love you.
I love you. I love you. You ready? Let's go.
Yeah.
Hello. Shopping at Target. Target shopping. Wait, let's go this way.
No.
Let's go this way. I would like to have you guys over here, but I'm pushing the carriage. Okay, like this. Because it goes from one way to the other.
That way.
Hard to turn with one hand. Oh, let's see all these things for the summer. You want to have like a 4th of July party at home?
Oh, I want toys. Give me one. Give me that.
I'm gonna give you one.
Not that one.
No, you don't want the balls?
Not that.
This?
Yeah.
That's too big, honey.
Give me.
What about a pink bouncing ball?
No. Fine.
Look, bubbles inside.
I want a bubble.
I knew you're gonna like that one. See? It's a bubblish ball.
Chicka.
Ticka.
Look.
Ooh.
Look.
What?
Moving. I'm moving.
Let's go. You gonna buy me a gift card?
Yeah. No. Fine.